The first question said we should evaluate log to base 2 of 4. This is the law of logarithms expressed. We are going to join it together with the laws of indices to be able to decode or solve this question. The first thing you do when this question confronts you is this. Say let the log to base 2 of 4 be equal to, choose any letter. I'm in love with x. So let it be x. Transform these logarithm terms into its indices equivalents. By doing so, you are going to discover that 2 exponent x will be equal to 4. Remember, when I was illustrating, 2 exponent x is this. That means the log to base 2 of 4 is x. And that's exactly what you have here. If this is the case, try to equalize both sides of the equation. Here you have 2 exponent x. Change 4 to an exponent of 2. You're going to have that 2 exponent x is equal to, you know that 4 is 2 times 2. That means you have 2 exponent 2 being the value of 4. As you have done this, in the left hand side you have base of 2. Likewise, on the right hand side you have base of 2. You can cancel the bases and equate the index. That gives you that x is equal to 2. And that is the answer to that question. Question number 2 says we should evaluate log to base 9 of 1 all over 27. The same process, you have to start by saying let the expression log to base 9 of 1 all over 27, let it be represented by any letter. I told you I love x. If this is the case, that means 9 exponent x is equal to the index you have here, 1 all over 27. The first thing you do is change this fraction to an index. The law of indices number 4 told us that 1 all over 27 is the same thing as 27 exponent minus 1. Bring down 9 exponent x. Try to balance both sides of the equation. Here you have 9 exponent x. Change 27 exponent minus 1 into an index of 9. You and I knows that 3 times 3 is 9, and 9 times 3 is 27. That means 27 is the same thing as 3 times 3 times 3. Use it to exchange this. You have 3 exponent 3. Now bring minus 1 in a bracket. 3 exponent 3 into minus 1 is the same thing as 27 exponent minus 1. Remember, in the left hand side of the equation we have 9 exponent x. You are going to change 9 exponent x also into an index of 3 so that you have both sides of the equation balanced. 9 means 3 times 3. The same thing as saying that 9 is 3 exponent 2. Use 3 exponent 2 to exchange 9. You're going to have that 3 exponent 2. Now bring the exponent of x you already have here into a bracket. Is equal to what you have here, which is 3 exponent 3 into minus 1. Already you have the same basis in both sides. Do away with them. Now equate the index. The index you have is 2 into x. It's now equal to 3 into minus 1. Remove the brackets. 2 times x will give you 2x. It's going to be equal to 3 times minus 1 will give you minus 3. Now you are finding x. You are going to divide both sides of the equation by 2 so as to eliminate 2 from the coefficient of x in the left-hand side of the equation. If you divide 2x by 2, you'll be left with x in the left-hand side of the equation. In the right-hand side, you have minus 3 divided by 2. X is boiling down to 2 divides 3 will give you, whatever you have is going to be a minus. Then 2 divides 3 will give you 1. 1 will remain. That 1 will not be divided by the 2 that is dividing. When you have done that, you have come to the end of that question.